Ndizi TV Ubwansu Bw'Omugusi.
Anchamo ligirelia wairire buyande onsia sogana takoba go ko bwatyo merobelio megata seni Kendizi TV chinga kiwano echaragira chinsa isato chebono bo tukentunda ende tokomera na sembe kirenga ekene no koneka nanyara kobengo komanye mange ko bwatana muna bariki baitoba mwana maya nanyara kobaga gwateka kuruba kete goikera chinga kibuna chinga kiwano Omoyega bwama saboko banyara abana emerongo ebereno yomo banyara tokoba gusire bwe bwabo asomo basokano bwa omorero asiskuru ya Endorasha unyara koba go kwenekiwa litukolera chikakibego abarai aane kurase orogongo rogusi banyara koba kobori wako bwaterana nabego kwenekia urabanyara koba bago ikirania chira chamagendo gatianda mango mancho morire gurana ndaseka gitari getambe nyare kobingo komanyinga nyare koba gwatika Weterase mitandao ite Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital, YouTube Ndizi TV News, chinga kiboigo ukuja bwate weterase website ya www.ndizitv.net. Sara mumanye semo ya kabere studio gana tokoba kwenye kinga chibicha, moneli ukichago chira senchira yubo ikeno liya nengoro kwa Jos Fatamisi, kukwari gana tujara kwa bato kusanga manahe kuru mochakano, goikira omwailio. Tokoya chaka kurwase county ya Kisii nigo abamenyibe county banyarekoba bako boligwa banyarekoba bako enekia buna banyarekoba bako ganyana boigo gotwara gosemeria ngabaraye banyarekoba bako bachora ngamba chikoba wikirania igati yechira chamagendo tabanyaratekoba bako bariera yani chinga kiboigo omoroberio bwa obosaga nwanene ase omoyega bwa women rabwe county ya Kisii unyarete koba gogo tuara chuburaburu asensemo ya South Mugrango nyara koba gogo gikeriwa tonyore alia akobati
Rukurona donga gachira igondo mu MCA we wodi ya Muticho ase county ya Kisii. Kisii twatware siasa embesana ase miaka yebere ya elije twatware siasa ye moko ne libero nenda muamu yani yo wetakira abarai moko minyokania moko mutageta koro kiubabe nga ningoro monene ko boyonde nari ko sabanga bonto ton down mona inchi orosire na sarakasi ya Bosongo ose ya Kisii county tokolra bana inchi gas mugaba naito na on the right trajectory is on the right road ya development olimire chipara orosire match orosire gitari to orosire space twaira bana jibasali chitakabeiro kuri meke kurumaega nchakabeiro lakini bono ega chibasali nchiro engane ya base ward yane na ya condemned as TV na ya condemned ase mitandao ka ya condemn sana because njale ngenganangia na mbeyemo abana inchi ba bugirango kusaba na inchi ba Muticho ali second kia bete bagenda tukwe maswali na ndenda kitaba na inchi bonse bagusi bebe ule maswali totrabule mu mheshimiwa Muticho
oyo no mwemse we ward ya Muticho yego tukase constituency ya South Mugrango Chingaki abarai abagana takoba ba kubwatoka engora yabo kubwatakana na omubaskano bwa omuriro nyarakobo kweneki wase eskuru ya Endarasha kutoka ase constituency ya Kieni county ya Nyeri ritko lero nigo egati yababwata nabigo abarai agora sarongorwa gusi nyarakoba ba weso kiana kobolia serikali nene wizara yichisemi nyarakoba gikobeka emeroberio emeikirano kweneki abuna oborendi bwa boroki wase chiskuru hanene chiria abana bamenyetime kinyerekoba asinchira ya boronge gago kwana chingaki chumoye gabo go sangirelia chibesa iliyo gosira ubwaga chibwe kanisa ya Gesususi oji ni gobono egati yabarai ekefasagana nyarakoba gako ye moche wizara abigo kubulia serikali nyarakoba gego kora obotukibwa mango iliyo kwene kiabuna abamenye nabigo abaibuli abu abana babo banyaratokoba gusira ubugima bwabo banyarekoba bagotwara nakwegwa obwene bwabo
ndato gosaba amo president tubwense anyare kukwanira omonene wito Julius ogamba omukuba wa education mwaro chibuna eskuru ya Endarasha ya yete abana bakesana bakwete nkobodi abayibodi nga ntubanjita abana twagende chiskuru gosoma kutatige keruko iro mwana ode PP2 kwa mwire boarding ngiorengerete umwana utakujara guyakonya kero umuriro kiri buno yoga te Endarasha. That is a national disaster. Igo a minister ito education tiangwa neke gusia kwa gara no mugusi ga kyokore investigation eisaini ekere dom ya abana bakurara iko agachune kibao ngiya abanyene skuru ibakorengereri chibese cyabayibori nkuru bale chi school fees tiga abanyene chi skuru bagache chi skuru buya egere abana basi bakorera chidomo bararabuya yongo bodi chikanisa nga mube kama saba sense yetu ya Kenya nem president yetu nanchi tamangana ye chikanisa igo nere ekara ko ende kanisa nero inyorote bia aba pastor nga basabira chi skuru tuairire pole ase abayibodi be skuru ya Isiolo Girls ya yete nero the day after Endarasha ya yete igo abantu ba Endarasha tubatumira pole tukorwega gusi n'abantu bane ba Gesusu ward bonsi babatumire pole amo n'abantu
togotigana na hiyo tuligerea nyagende tokaba kolekana iskoero ngoro gusini go mokonyi bumura ibwenseri gadiga shagwa nyade koba go sokya sentundende nako baboria abarai banyale koba bako baterana go batukuterale chita butichabo chekisiasa asekiganga nikirenga ekenene gigo ikirania chira chamagendo nigakwana hayalitikolerera magayo ikirana sombe gabo masabo nyara koba kolekana ase kanisa ya ACK St Patrick's yegotoka ase chinsemo cha Kayole County ya Nairobi nombe yagonyara koba goikiranirwa amona barai ahasegashago bigo anyara koba gago teba nige serikali rachikoba gikobwaterana kana kobaleta amo aba Kenya bonsi eli banyara koba goikiranirwa amona magenderero niganyara koba bigo gakoba mochia egati yabarai bagento koba kwemurunganiria igoro ya abokoreri anene bwa serikali ya Kenya Kwanza.
Tusikize kila mtu hata yule yako chini ako na kitu tu anaweza sema, hata akiwa mnyonge, hata akiwa hana jicho moja, hata kama mguu yake ilivunjika, bora tu ako na masikio mbili na ako na akili katikati ya masikio, kuna kitu anaweza sema, umsikize. Mimi naambia viongozi, sikizeni ground. Wanasema ati mimi nawatisha, na mimi nikuambia tu kweli kwa sababu mimi ni mzee na ni kiongozi. Kuambia hawa msiposikiza ground mtakosana na wenye kuandika nyinyi kazi na watamfukuza. Hiyo ni kuambia ukweli ama ni kuwatisha? Yeah. Bishop mwenyewe amesema hapa, good leadership is listening to the people. Listen to them because hao ndio unaongoza, na ni muhimu ujue vile wanataka kuongozwa na uwasikize vile wanaona. For a long time watu wengi wa serikali wamezoea kudanganya wananchi. Sasa watu wengi tuko nao kwa serikali hawajazoea hii maneno ya ukweli, wanazoea maneno ya uongo. Sasa mimi nikiongea ukweli wanasema mimi naongea mbaya. People of Kenya are very intelligent. They know everything.
Togosukamo tweko bwatakana na ogwateka kwa omubasukano bumorero ase skuru y'oboroso yendarashe gotoka nsemo ya Kieni ime ya Nyeri igolitko lya rero mugabana bwe county eyo Mutai kaiganyara ko bagakora ababwatani bande nabo bisaba eserikali asamasabo yanyara ko bakoreta amababwatani aba eskuru eyo gati yabo abaiboli buna enchira ya moyo kwenyora abana banyarata ko bagusiria obogima bwabo nigo yanyara ko bagekorokano mochando amino moichano omonene kigima echinga kibono amasabo yanyara ko bagako genderaga gokwana nigo kahiga nyare ko bagako gokera enchire bitambo kero sebyombe byanyara ko bagose bigenda ko bikubwatera ko baikeria Bible nabo igogosanga amo nabarubirinde banyara ko bagwanchirana egati yari yanyarete ko bagago korekana niganyare
jambo hili limeni
serikali ya county ya Nyeri nechiko bage koena nabo konyi voice ine echinga kibono Bible abange bagendete ko bakobaria abana babo banyara ko bagusira ubugima bwabo
uza kama mwalimu na pia kama mzazi. Kwa wale ambao ni wazazi waathiriwa, tuko pamoja nanyi. Kitu ambacho ninaomba ni kwamba tumehubiriwa mengi, tumeambiwa mengi, na ninakumbuka katika kitabu cha kile ambacho tunakiita maombolezi ya Yeremia katika mlango wa 3, wakati Yeremia anakumbuka jinsi kulivyokuwa na shida na tabu nyingi katika Yerusalemu, na akakumbuka pia yeye alipitia katika shida, moyo wake ulikuwa umefadhaika zaidi kama tulivyo sisi. But there is a word that he mentioned, and the word he mentioned is that fadhili za Mungu ni za milele na ni mpya kila siku. So there is a second chance and an opportunity from God kwa sisi wote. Red Cross ningetaka niwashukuru, na vitengo vyote, hata CHPs, wale wangu wote na serikali ambao wamekuwa hapa, ambao ningetaka niwaombe hata haya mambo yakiisha, tukiondoka hapa, I want to request the Red Cross, I want to request the CHPs, you go around this entire area looking at the parents and those other people, kwa sababu ninaomba waziri wetu wewe uko hapa, can you follow up with these people so that there is a coordinated effort. Mnaweza ona kama mambo yameishia hapa na kuna mengi ambayo yako kwa manyumba huko.
Wanchumuri gele muyaga oyo ba masabari gonyara ko bago kwene kiwago se goikanirwa amona barai ahakorwa serikali gati ya mwaziri bwa Obochenu Deborah Barasa oyo nyara ko baga korera ebitambukiro wizara y'Obochenu nyare ko bage koira na kwene nyare ko be kwena na bakonyi ochia gosobo konyi bwa wizara iyo ochase ababwatani abo bagendete ko kumene nabo igochanira omubasokano oyo nanya nabo nigalire iranga ewizare ine chikoba ekone kyanga ya bachorira bo bisabara chikoba bagwake kambiego asenjere ya moyo gokwana amonegati ya Bible bagena chikoba bagwichanira.
As the Ministry of Health on Friday and up till now, we have teams on the ground. We have the Emergency Disaster Preparedness and Response Team. We have the counselors of the mental health and psychosocial support. We have forensics teams on the ground, and they are supporting in every way. So even as our Excellency the Governor has said, let us utilize the counselors, visit them, talk to them. This is not just a one-off, but routinely talk to them, because mental health is a challenge, especially during the disaster moment. Equally, we have been able to deploy commodities, and these include the mass casualty kits, the complete trauma kits, as well as the complete response bag that is able to cater for casualties, more than 200 within the region. I'm happy to hear that the partners are here, and they have also supported in mobilization of resources. We have Red Cross, AMREF, WHO, among others, and the forensic team that is supporting in recovery and identification of the bodies. Looking forward, we hope to work with the NGAO, and that is the National Government Administrative Organs, and the National Disaster Operation Center, so that we can capacity build this area in order to fight supporting emergency disaster preparedness readiness. And so we will look into the challenges and see how we can mitigate. And from my office, we observe the issue of mental health and psychosocial support in the country, and especially among the school-going children, and indeed we look into policies.
Wanchomo ligereria togos kamotwe nigo bono abaonchereria korwase ense ya Kenya nene baria bagendete muno bonchereria bokoboke banyarire ko bakuboriwa banyarire ko bagwesokia na kwerikia sevio mbebunenchereyemo ye kwenyorera amakabeso kurwa ase serikali gukora litwara lero nigo mu waziri bubonchoria Salim Mvurya nyarire ko bagotebanga serikali nebegete ange ekibiganja ebyo bibire ange kigima kwene kibuna byenyarire ko babigosira abaonchereria helibarinde banyarire ko bagotingia nabo gokinia ekerengo kia obonchereria.
The Kenya shillings 300 million facility we are handing over today to Amika Sacco embodies our dedication to this cause. This funding is more than just a financial transaction. It is a lifeline for business across Murang'a County. It will enable Amika Sacco to enhance its ability to offer tailored financial services that meet the unique needs of our local enterprise.
Our vision is to be a one-stop financial service provider. That is, we believe that we should be a supermarket, that when we come into the institution, you should be able to get any financial service that you are looking for. And our tagline is plan smarter so that you can live better. That is the vision that we live, that we want to empower our people to plan their lives better so that then they can live better. That we want to empower our people to plan their lives better so that then they can live better lives.
Nigobono asintundende kiumbe kelia giokobalika aboro kia Teacher Service Commission kenyale kobage komochiwa ase ogo tachaka koi kirania amaganyo ya boro kiwanene kurwa se kiumbe kelia kiana tena kupetia nigo achire maiga yo okobwata na gwokoirana emeremo okwanyara kobo kobekwa SAE hamona bo bisabe kiumbe gia kupet kolengana nabarabo nigo batebire ogwakanwa emeshara nabo igo kiniwa wa ekere ngo gechibesa uchiase abalimu nabuigo ogotalikwa abalimu ase enchira area ya permanent and pension bochase abalimu balia baje singati yamaganyo ayibanyata ko babakobeka mutwelinde banyara ko babawekiraniwa.
The funding model for university education X, we revert back to the old model, ile ambaye watoto hawatahangaika, university haitahangaika, wazazi hawatahangaika. Ya pili, as we go for grade 9 in January, it is not enough to confirm interns. We have a shortage of teachers for JSS. The 22,000 teachers must be brought on board before January.
Major challenge being lack of teachers. You find that a school has 1 or 2 teachers who is supposed to take over 13 subjects in 2 classrooms. And we are going to have an additional classroom in January. We are happy that the 46,000 will be confirmed in January. But we need TSC to move with speed and employ the 22,000 junior secondary school teachers.
The 46,000 come rain, come shine must be confirmed as permanent and pensionable by January next year.
Tokoska motenigo abakori emeremo kurwase chi sekta aho gati yabo chiria chitali che serikali nabo chiri chire che serikali banyaleko babako boli wanga banyaleko babago tumia chinchera chia ekerero eliogoikirania obokoreri bwabo botambe yani ganyaleko bakwenekibwa magiga ya umwirobelio onyaleko bagokoreta amo abateneneri ba emiremo onyaleko bagokorwa seskuru yo kwenana amaigerio a human resource management kolengana nabarabuni go batebire kubwatikana no botumekiwe chinchera chia ekerero nigemerobelio ase serikali anyaleko bagekorobiwa ingana banyaleko babago kereko kongenyaleko bagekoranda nabuyo kwenekiwa nje ase chisekta chiria chitali cha serikali.
Not only are you seeing yourself as a practitioner in HR, but that person who makes the organizations become what they are. Please clap for yourselves. And as you all stand out from here, again, you're your own marketers. Every person is a marketer. How you talk to the employees, how you talk to your bosses, how you handle their issues, how you respond faster, how you handle them in the hospital, how you handle them in induction, makes them say who you are, and the world is also watching who you are. So you are all marketers, and I'm happy and letting you know that wherever you will go, ensure that for us to keep steering the professionalism, all the marketing departments have to be the MSK members, and for us to be able to always put them at the
Tokuska motu buna enchire ya moyo goikirania amaganio ne chira chia maganre chibanyal takova bako lieru chira ni gobono abarai ao banyaleko bako bolibwa go tairana biara na boigo banyaleko bakonekinga banyaleko bagoikirania amagendro abo akeralitiko ayangolengana no mwaki bishop we diocese ya Nyeri Anthony Muheria oibo banyaleko bagago tebanga bono ne chinga kibara beneta ko bagoswa ase chiabisi na boigo konekia una emirobili ya magendro ya nyaleko bagegoikirana sanyarako igago tugutera ale na boigo ko bagikiria abarai aho bagendeta ko bakogenderia amo na siasa.
To ask all of us Kenyans, when these things happen, it is very easy to start pointing fingers. Let us rather take this moment to think and put ourselves in the shoes, much as we cannot fully comprehend their pain, but the shoes of those who are suffering. We want to congratulate all the teams that are working round the clock in order to identify those bodies of the children. It is a very thankless job, but yet I had a chance yesterday, first together with the religious leaders, all of us went to pray, asking God to receive these innocent souls. But also we prayed, and I had a chance to be with all those who have this duty, a difficult duty.
Kubatakana no kwe murungania anene kuruase abaremi bekemeri yecha kuruase county ya Kericho igoro ya oko bekerwa omorobelio buogochora chibengi chiria barachiko babako kora oko bwatana na akoroko nigoritko lero omuliki obotambe ase wizara eyo ya obolemi polrono naleko baga korarianga nigo chibengi ose chi factory chirachiko chikonyora obosibole nagochora anenembegiki chirachiko chigokora obonteria bwabo amo na abarabo asubwango igani gochi factory wetane komi na isano na ibere ichenyara takoba chiko bekerwa okobwata nanga chinyare koba chigo tumeka ebengi eyemo kobwatakana na ba directors be chief factory cho nigobono engana eyera chikoba omweso kigima ochia ase abaonchoreria naboigo abaremi ba ekemeli kyo ichinga kibano barachikoba bagutwara obosibole.
Factories with satellite factories, and we talk about quality unless we separate the factories. We will never achieve the quality we are looking for. It will be a pipe dream to talk about quality, yet the factories are not independent. So, hakuna kurudi nyuma. The 17 factories were removed, please, and people ensure that you go on a
Tokusuka mutua se sekta yobo chenu nigo ababotani kurwa se sekta iyo banyaleko baba koralia ngonigo okwambukerwa gosekerengo gyo kwambukerwa kwa ebinyinyi biria byenyamero kugenda takobago comment ka imeyense ya Kenya bago kwana mone chinyumba choboralia nigo batebire ogo taikirana ase chinya gitali na bwo konyora obolingoria obotatumekibwa amariogo haliago keania chinguruchia ebinyinyi byo ngati ya ebitambogero gose ngati yebitango ebibigenda takobikonekya buna oboriro bwanyale ko bokoranda ase ekerango ekenene mono kigima.
We currently see trends that we were seeing a long time ago coming back. The fact that we have treatment which is free, the fact that we have testing which is free, we are seeing people who are not taking up that testing for HIV, delaying that testing and testing when it is very late, particularly men. We are also seeing people who after testing and they find the HIV positive, they are not taking medication.
2022, as per our estimates, we had 18,473 people who died because of AIDS-related mortalities. So these are people who died because of things like TB, infections, malnutrition amongst children, diarrhea disease, and we think that these are actually preventable deaths. One of the key things we have seen that is contributing is late diagnosis. So some people are taking too long to know their status, and by the time they're getting to be tested and know that they're actually living with the virus.
Takalta se sekte yobo chenu bononi go chinsemo chiko batrana amone biombe bitali bya serikali nabigo biribire bya serikali kurwa sorogongo rwa Afrika banyale koba bakocha kakolingo ligore chinchira baranyale koba bagakoro bolingole na kumanya amaliogo yera chikoba ga kwene kinganyale koba gago tanga okwambukera kwamoroire bagokwana ime county ya Nairobi nigo ababwatene banyale koba chira ambachi koba bakobwatera na boikirenu amone chi sekta nechi wizara chobo chenu una enchira eyemo yokonyora amachibu igoro ne sababu gose chingenjo ki anene amaruire ataranyara koba ga kobwenu wa nagati ya mariogo hayo agenda tekoba ga korose wone chi company
For the longest time, we have had really poor quality data that doesn't really guide policy, neither does it guide clinical interventions. But this particular document is particularly important for our member states. We need more quality data. It's important that AMR surveillance data can guide policy, be it financing or clinical decisions by physicians or even veterinarians. This document serves as a roadmap to guide countries, depending on what level they are, to the right path to get good quality data to drive policy changes.
Currently, there has been less investments by domestic funding as far as laboratory services are concerned. And again, the laboratory services, they are not yet at the decision table. They are not invited to be part of the resource.
Kwekerawo manchumo ligiralia no tokuringa ebisero to yakiromo sumari awongirali bagire gwakiranga mbiamono asokwaneke konyera kobogo sanga amana intoma ya na bigemero bali togena tokabato kwarigani megata seni Kiandizi TV kuruwa kiete goikira chingaki bona h banke bagena tokabago to bwate kurasemi tandao nashukuru sana bagena tokabago koneke ngamba bagena tokabago sanga amona into Paul Muragwa kuruwa se ensemo ya South Mugrango Kefa Osoro abo Okoza nabo igo nimoro chege gadolin kemto mwenga kurwase ensemo elia ya Nyamira Kebirigo agotebangano agenda tukoba kwenekya nerekobaga kubwatia amaya ya manembrobri mega taseni Kiandizi TV mbiabono sana se abaliki baito mwana maya banyara koba kubwatana na mwanaintwe kwenekya mwana tonyera koba koletera senchira yobo ikiradu saramo manyi nyara koba kwenekya buna chibicha munelo gichago chera senchira wikiranu Lianengoro kwa Josephat Amisi na kwa niliwe obotuko obiya na bigo buligeli buya bwemero bile kubwate tomerane angyo imeye manyi Jumatatu.